Hey, beautiful soul all over the world, how are you all? I hope you're doing well and great, learning this language, improving day by day. So, my friend, recently I got comment. One learner has asked, I can understand English but can't speak. What should I do? So, my friend, instead of suggesting what he should do, I decided to create one video on this topic and help so many learners. So, if you are such a learner who has understanding but can't speak, then my friend, this video is being created for you, and that's why you have to stick with this video till the end, because that's how you are going to know how you can speak English and what you have to do. But before telling you how you can, let me tell you little bit about me, about my journey. My friend, when I was beginner, I didn't have even little bit understanding. मुझे थोड़ा बहुत भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं था इंग्लिश में. आई वॉज टोटली ज़ीरो. But see now, I can speak English. I can speak fluently, confidently. So my friend, why I am telling you this? You know, my friend, why I am telling you this? Because I want you to believe in yourself that you can speak English, become fluent, confident speaker. Why? Because a girl who has not even little bit understanding was zero, today is speaking confidently, fluently. So you have understanding at least. आपको तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है और आप एक लेवल अहेड हैं मेरे से. जब मैं बिगनर थी तो मुझे थोड़ा सा भी नहीं आता था, लेकिन आपको समझ में आता है. जस्ट यू हैव टू गिव लिटिल एफर्ट्स फॉर स्पीकिंग. बट आई हैड टू डू hard work, give my efforts for understanding and speaking for both. But in your case, only you have to work, give your efforts, do hard work for speaking, not for understanding. So you have one level, just you have to do little hard work for speaking. So my friend, you will definitely speak, and very soon you are going to speak English, become fluent, confident speaker. How? I will tell you, but before this I want you ask one question. My friend, tell me, have you born with understanding in English? क्या आपको जन्म से ही इंग्लिश में अंडरस्टैंडिंग है? No, not at all, right? You build here by reading, by listening, by watching, by doing studying in English. Not in weeks, not in months, by doing years and years. That's how you have built understanding in English. Now you got to know the reason कि आपने कैसे अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिल्ड किया है. चाहे आप विलिंगली किए हो, अनविलिंगली किए हो, बट आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. और कैसे हुई है? क्योंकि आप बहुत सालों से या तो स्टडी कर रहे हैं, रीडिंग कर रहे हैं, लिसनिंग कर रहे हैं, वॉच कर रहे हैं, और दैट्स हाउ यू हैव बिल्ड योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन इंग्लिश. नाउ माय फ्रेंड, टेल मी द रीजन व्हाई यू कांट स्पीक इंग्लिश. आपने तो समझ लिया कि क्या रीज़न है कि आप इंग्लिश अंडरस्टैंड कर पा रहे हैं. नाउ टेल मी कि क्या रीज़न है कि आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं, दो यू हैव अंडरस्टैंडिंग. एंड माय फ्रेंड, यू नो दिस. वाई? बिकॉज नो बडी नोज यू better than you. You know yourself better than everyone. You also know the reason. What is the reason why you can't speak English? You know this reason. And tell me, what is this reason? Is this grammar problem? Vocabulary problem? Are you not consistent? Or you have never ever tried to speak, to do speaking practice? What is the reason? If this grammar issue, whenever you try to speak, you try to do speaking, you get stuck, you can't frame sentences correctly, or this is the vocabulary issue, whenever you try to speak, you get stuck, you don't get words, you can't speak, or you are not consistent. You do practice for 1 week, then leave for 2 weeks, again start. In this way, you don't be consistent, or else you have never ever try for do speaking practice. So my friend, if this grammar issue, then work on grammar. If this vocabulary issue, then work on vocabulary. And if this, you know, consistency, the reason you are not consistent, then be consistent from now onwards. If this reason is that you can't speak because you have never ever tried, then my friend, this is the right time, best time to start. Take the step, do the practice, try to speak English, and start your journey of speaking English from now onwards. My friend, let me tell you here one important thing, that you should start first with yourself. You should be confident with yourself first. Start practicing English, speaking English with yourself in front of the camera, in front of the mirror. Do first introducing yourself, then daily routine, and also watch the conversation video. Learn from there how you can do conversation with others, and that's how do speaking practice daily, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes. Do it every single day with consistency. Work on yourself, on your English, and that's how, my friend, you are going to speak this language, and this is what you have to do. My friend, I hope you understood how and what you have to do for this. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. We will meet in the next video. For today, that's it. Bye bye.